Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Square Card Reader. First, unbox your new Square Reader and confirm all components are present. Next, make sure your smartphone or tablet has Bluetooth turned on. Then, download the free Square Point of Sale app from your device's app store. This app is essential for processing payments and managing your sales effectively. Now let's connect your reader. Open the Square Point of Sale app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines icon, usually found in the top corner, to open the menu. From there, select Readers and then choose Connect a Reader. The app will guide you through the pairing process, which typically takes less than 1 minute. To pair your reader, press and hold its power button until the indicator light begins to flash. Your device will then detect the reader. Select it from the list within the app. Once connected, perform a small test transaction, perhaps for $1, to ensure everything works correctly. This confirms your reader is ready for customer payments. For optimal performance, always keep your Square Reader charged. A full charge provides many hours of use. Regularly clean the card slot with a soft, dry cloth to prevent read errors. Also, ensure your Square Point of Sale app is always updated to access the latest features and security enhancements. Enjoy seamless payment processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.